Hi, I'm Vince from Southwestern University FINMA, a nursing student, and come spend a day with me as I take you on my daily activities in my house. And as I go along, I will explain the COPR or COPAR and how it works. Good morning. When I woke up, it was a wonderful, gloomy, and a rainy day, and I was feeling motivated to do some activities today. So the first thing I did was to change my bed sheets. After that, I also did change my pillow sheets, and here is the final look on my bed. After that, I ate my breakfast and I did my research, just finishing up on my deadlines. So now, the main problem in our community is about alcohol and smoking. So with this, we come up with health education to the persons who are severely smoking and teach them about the risk, for example, like lung cancer and COPD, or secondhand smoking that can greatly affect with the community, not just by themselves but to others. And with this, we can help them to set household rules that no smoking inside the house, and in order to protect the non-smokers. And with this, solution is nicotine replacement. um, it may be expensive, but in the long run, it can be greatly effective. You can use gums or patches. And to replace smoking, you may exercise, deep breathing exercise, just aside of smoking. And with this, their family can or help them encourage them not to smoke. And for the alcohol solutions, same as smoking is educate them on not drinking and the risk of drinking, and avoid smoking and alcohol at the same time to reduce access on it. Promote hobbies or sports that can greatly affect to avoid any drinking, and apply rules like alcohol-free days to limit the alcoholic to the body. So that's all. So that is day in my life with the explanation of COPR. What I realized is that even in my small household, the process of building connections with others, observe their practices, and identify the concerns in the community, and work together for a solution. In the real life, we do the same for the barangays, help the communities recognize their strength to solve health problems. By this, we can empower each and every one of us just by using the COPR. So thank you for spending the day with me, and my name is Vince Agustin Ancelotario from C12 third year. Thank you and God bless.